Hi guys, how are you doing? My name is Lizzie and I'm back again with another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, kindly hit that subscribe button and get to watch my videos when I upload. And also, if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. So today guys, I am in the kitchen. Yeah, so guys, today I just wanna show you guys a recipe of one thing that I like making. I'm gonna show you how to make something that I personally like for breakfast. Yeah, it's a quick fix and I think it's a recipe that anybody can have or anybody can make. Yeah, so stay tuned and I hope you learned something and I wanna share the recipe with you. Yeah, I don't know if you know how to make it. If you don't also, I hope you learned from this video. Yeah, so I call it dropscones. Or rather I was, so have you ever made dropscones? Do you know how to make dropscones? And if you know, what kind of recipe do you use to make dropscones? So I'm just gonna share my own dropscone recipe and let's see how it turns out, guys. So first of all we need a few things. I'll just show you what I'm gonna use for my ingredients. So I'm gonna use sugar. Yeah, I'm gonna use sugar. I'm gonna use salt. I'm gonna use this little spoon to measure the sugar and salt. Then I need a lemon. I'm gonna grate it and then I peel it and also use the juice. I'm gonna need 2 eggs. I'm gonna need cardamoms. Okay, this is the spice I've decided to use, cardamoms. And then I'm gonna need a bowl. Definitely I'm gonna need a bowl. I'm gonna use wheat flour. I'm gonna use cooking oil. I'm gonna use a self-raising. Okay, this is a raising agent. My wheat flour is not self-raising, so I'm gonna use raising agent. Or if you have a self-raising flour, that's good for you. Yeah, so guys, let's get to it. Yeah, first of all, I'm just gonna break these eggs. Break the eggs into the bowl. 2 eggs. I need 2 eggs for this. You can have any amount of eggs depending on the quantity that you want to make. I'm also gonna use a glass of water. Okay, I need that glass of water. So I'm gonna, after breaking my eggs, I'm just gonna whisk them using a fork. I'm just gonna whisk them. Make sure it is evenly. I'll grate my lemon a bit. Then I'm gonna cut my lemon. Into 2. I'll only use one half. So just remove the seeds. Then squeeze the lemon juice. I like using lemon juice because it kinda neutralizes the smell of the eggs and also it gives it a lemon flavor. And I'm just gonna use a bit of cardamoms. Just a bit of it. Sometimes I use ginger. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoonful of salt. Not a tablespoon. I'm gonna add half tablespoonful of salt. Yeah. I'm gonna add 5 tablespoonfuls of sugar. Then for the raising agent, I'm gonna add this is the raising agent. That's enough. sure it is evenly mixed. So this is the consistency I have been looking for. Yeah, so now we'll just heat the pan a bit, then add some oil and then drop the paste one by one. Yes, according to the size of your pan, you will decide the number of pieces to cook at a time. So at this point, as we drop them one by one, we allow them to cook for a bit under low heat. Just cook slowly. Do not let them mix together because you have to maintain you have to separate them. Yeah, so let them cook for a bit under very low heat while checking the bottom. Yeah, as soon as the bottom starts turning golden brown, yeah, now you can turn them. Do not turn before they begin turning. You'll notice them turning from the sides. So as they turn golden brown, just turn them upside down and let the same process begin again. Allow them to cook and allow it for a bit until they are fully cooked, and then you can remove and they'll be ready to eat. It's that simple. Very, very simple. So guys, we have come to the end, and I have my dropscones right here. My quick fix dropscones and my tea. So let's see how it tastes. Really good. It tastes really good. It has the lemon and cardamom flavor combined. Oh my goodness. You should try this. It's really nice. Really nice. And it's a quick fix. We took very few minutes to make them. thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching till this very end. Let me continue eating my drop scones. I hope you make yours. Tell me how it turns out, if you like them. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.